Hey, welcome back to the channel, traders. Today we're going to do a quick technical analysis on American Airlines, ticker symbol AAL, and show you some of the things that I'm seeing in the chart, observing over the last couple of days, and why I think this has potential to get into the low 16. So let's take a look. So what I see is we are doing a little bullish consolidation here. So you can see there's a little bull flag here. And what you can see over the last couple of days is on Friday, we came down and kissed this gap fill. And then today we came down, pierced it, and then formed this hammer candle. So I love this price action over the last couple of days. Also, if you notice, what we're seeing here is, yep, you guessed it, an inverse head and shoulders, right? So left shoulder, head, and then right shoulder here. So this one's interesting though, because we do have an upsloping neckline, which is rare and super kind of unique. They don't form often, but when they do, they're super powerful because once the neckline is broken, especially on high volume, they're less likely to fail than a flat neckline or a descending neckline, right? So you had this strong move down, and then you also down here, it was interesting, you actually formed some bullish divergence on the RSI. You can see here higher lows on the RSI, and then lower lows on the price, right? So I love seeing that as the setup. And this, again, like I said, you could look at this as bullish consolidation, in my opinion, right? So a couple of different ways you could play this is you could enter the position like I did today on this price action and this daily close. I like this setup a lot. And then you could have a tight stop, or you could have a little bit more of a lenient stop and give yourself a better risk to reward ratio. So if you were to put your stop down below, I would say these lows here, that would be a good area because you do have another gap here in case it wanted to come down and fill this, right, in the mid 10s. In my opinion, for me, I would just dollar cost average, and I would get into a little bit bigger of a position there before I let my stop loss execute, just because I kind of have this set up to know that I might have to dollar cost average, and I'm okay with that just because of the setup. But then you would do is you would drag your risk or reward or your target up to, I would put it here, just simply because of this, right? This overhead resistance, right? Touch point, touch point, touch point. So you know that's going to be resistance. But check this out. This is also super interesting, right? If we do the price target on the measured move of the inverse head and shoulder, depending on where it breaks out, look at that, right into that area. Is that not crazy? So you have that alignment there. So I love seeing that. So price target 3 for me would be there. That would be the ultimate upside target. The way I would get my other targets is I would draw a fib from this high here down to the low, and you can see upon this breakout, right, the 0.5 fib at 1381 would be a pretty good target. So that'd be take profit number 1. Take profit number 2 for me would be inside this golden pocket. And then, like I said, that high target would be right there at that overhead resistance. So I do like this chart a lot. Also, I want to show you this. So I use a suite of indicators as well to just give me multi-factor or additional confirmation. And it's the Alpha suite, the Alpha Trend suite. Now it's a paid suite. It's not cheap. It's about $1,000 a year. But what I like about this is I'll examine it on the higher time frames. And as you can see, there's a lot of bullish reversal signals here on the daily. Haven't formed on the 4-hour yet, because I'm going to show you that in a second. Sorry, they didn't form on the daily yet, but they formed on the 4-hour. So yeah, you have those here. So let me stress this out a little bit, right? So you have some bullish reversal signals here, some volatility squeeze things that I like to look at, and you obviously have, you had that bullish reversal here. Look what it did, right? Boom. had the bullish reversal signal down here. Look what it did, right? So I like to, again, look at this suite for confirmation of my own analysis because it does definitely help. It also really helps me to keep me into trades a lot longer. So again, in case you guys are interested, it's the Alpha Trend suite. Take a look at it, check it out. I like it. Use it again for confirmation to keep me in or get me out of trade sooner. So it just makes me more profitable as a trader. So wanted to just kind of share that with you guys. And then yeah, I think this one's set up pretty nicely. Definitely bullish on it, and I could see us making a nice move over the next coming days, coming weeks, especially as the market cooperates with us, right? So hopefully you guys found value in this analysis and enjoyed it. If there's any ticker symbols that you guys would like to see me analyze, I'd be happy to do it. And again, definitely hit that like button, show some love, subscribe to the channel, and I'll be bringing you these technical analysis. My goal is to do about 2 per day. I know it's a relatively new channel, but I'm really enjoying this, and I hope you guys see value in it because I think along the way we're all going to make a lot of money. So until next time, take care, and don't forget to hit that like button. Thanks, guys. Take care. Bye.